our n8n server, which is a local version that we install on our server. So we want to update the new last version. Here it is the document website that you can find on the Google or any other website. You should go to the n8n documents. In the left side, you can see the update option. Then you have some data here, such as it depends on which method you installed your n8n. Here, I'm going to talk about it installed on update and install on Docker. We will click on that. We will see some documents. Here there's some information that we should just follow them one by one. The first one, it's need to log into your server. Doesn't matter which method. I just log in with Bitwise to my server. This is, and now we should to check where is the exact data that we have it. Look, it's in this area, so we will go to n8n. Then you check the data what we have. Okay, as you can see, it's exact the location that we need it. It's here. Then we should just type these. We can just copy and paste that to the server. That's it. After the clicking, the system thought we would download the latest version now, as our server is the last version. It's you done, we cannot do anything more. And after that, we should do remove our previous version that we had it. With this code, we can find the ID. After that, for example, right now, this is the ID. Look, this is the ID that we have it. Okay, and we should just need to type exactly docker stop with that ID. Okay, then after that again we should write docker rn with the ID. That's it, freeze. Okay, and after that we will come to the exact area that we uploaded the latest version. For mine is exactly there in n8n area. And after that, we should just use this command. The system will automatically start to uh, sorry, to update themselves. Okay, but as you see, we got on error. The system doesn't. There is no any unknown command. Okay, what we will do? For example, if you are installing MC and you had some problem, there is some AI assistance here. If I click on that and share the exact error we had, lazily to explain something late because it's here, it's routine, they can code this. This is the exact command that I should use for update my system. Then I have to use this one. And after that, instead of using Docker Compose like that, we should just use this one. Look, after that, everything is done. And after that, one more time, we should use that for down and one more time for this one. And after that, everything is finished. We can enjoy your latest version of the panel. You can use it with the new updates and features. If you had any problem, you can comment your message here. Then I will reply and answer that as soon as possible. Then we can be in touch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you had any problem, just DM me.